Hey guys, Greg here in the Garage Series. We're here with the Renegade III SEMA build, and what we're working on is we're looking at the lift kit and the differential protection. For those two items, we ended up using Rancho. What we did on the differentials, we got their heavy-duty nodular iron covers. They come powder-coated in red or black. Naturally, we picked red. The design of the fill hole and the weep hole, it gives you an extra capacity to be able to put more fluid in to help for cooling and performance differences with the oil. It's in the differentials. And then the really neat part of it is the rib design on it is there also for strength and durability for extreme off-road use. The covers were picked because of that, and plus the color matches the Jeep very well and has a nice offset that far down low on the Jeep. On the suspension system, what we used is the early model CJ5 3-inch suspension lift. The design of the spring set on this, it has a military wrap on the end of the spring. It also is a soft ride spring, so it doesn't bounce your ride to death. It feels good riding down the road. It comes with the 4 springs, the U-bolts. You may end up having to use a transmission relocation or drop kit. You won't know till you actually get it in, and you could possibly have to have a drop pitman arm, depending on once you get it installed, how the Jeep sets and how it's. So there are a couple of options that may be add-on items later. The Arias 7000s that we've got on the Jeep, they are a 50mm body. They are gas charged nitrogen cell technology. That gives a real good on-the-road stability so you don't get body roll associated with it. The design of the shock is a lifetime warranty. It has a 90-day ride guarantee, meaning that this time, if you get these, you've got 90 days. If you don't like the shocks, you can send them back. So there you have it, the suspension used on the Renegade III for SEMA. It includes our Rancho Suspension, Rancho differential covers. If you want to know more, read the description below. It'll have the part numbers and descriptions. Make sure and check out our dealer locator. They can go in on our Total Truck Centers installers. They can get you fixed up on any one of these items or even get it installed on your vehicle for you. That's Total Truck Centers in the garage.